experience community, need to reach your target audience fast? Today, we're diving into online panels, your resource for quality research respondents. Whether you're testing a new product concept or gathering market research insights, Panels gives you access to verified participants in minutes, not weeks. By the end of this tip, you'll be able to build your panel from scratch or choose a template to access quality respondents fast. Online Panels gives you access to pre-screened respondents ready to take your surveys. No recruitment headaches, no lengthy timelines. When should you use panels? They're ideal for market research, concept testing, or any time you need diverse perspectives outside your existing customer base. Got your survey built? Perfect. Let's walk through how to connect it to your panel in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Navigate to the online panel section. Open your survey and go to the Distributions tab. Look for the online panel section and click Create a Panel. Step 2. Choose your starting point. Templates show you the demographic makeup on the right side. Don't worry, you can customize them in the next steps. Step 3. Configure your panel details. First, you'll name your panel. Then set your key parameters. Number of responses. This is how many completed surveys you need, anywhere from 50 to 10,000. Country or region, as well as language. Survey length. This is how long it takes to complete, anything less than 30 minutes. Incidence rate. What percentage of participants are likely to finish your survey after starting it, anywhere from 5 to 100%. And fielding time. How many days you'll collect responses, up to 20 days. Now for the targeting. Click Add Targeting Criteria to choose demographics like age, gender, income, or region. Next, click Add Quotas to set limits. For example, 50% male, 50% female. Your quotas must total 100%. You can add multiple targeting criteria depending on your country's options. As you configure, watch the upper right corner. It shows your panel's cost and feasibility in real time. Once you're satisfied, click Next to review your panel makeup and proceed to payment. That's it! You've just configured your first online panel. Remember, panels are powerful for broad market insights. Just make sure to match your method to your research goals. Drop your questions below, and we'll see you in the next 2-minute tip.